Welcome back. We're going to attempt tackling a pumpkin cheesecake. So what's the first step? Do we put together all the main ingredients or?
No.
All right.
Now, the first thing we're gonna do is the crust. So you're gonna have to make a cup and a half of the graham cracker. So you use your little chopper.
Oh yeah, I just have one of those lying around. I'm sure everyone at home does as well.
Yeah.
If we don't have a chopper, is there an alternative?
Yes, you can use a meat mallet.
Of course, I also have one of those lying around. In
You can put it in a plastic bag and just...
Perfect, there we go.
Or a hammer.
Baggie and hammer.
A hammer works. And if you go over a little bit, that's fine. No, you didn't crush that. You gotta hit it a lot harder than that. Would you like me to show you?
Yes. Oh, look at that aggression.
There you go. See? Well, now they change it. It's about... So usually they have an 8 in a pack. And if you go over a little bit, that's mine. There you go. Use a couple glasses of wine, you feel right at home. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 3 tablespoons of this butter, markings on the side, and you're gonna melt it.
Oh, we're waiting for it to melt.
Yes, we can have our wine. Don't make it too fast. You have to be able to get it into the oven properly.
So just on top? Or?
Just pour it in because you're going to mix it up.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Get it all so it's all coated. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this pan, you're going to press it on the bottom, and then you're going to use it. No, you don't take it off, you leave it on.
So, what is this called?
This is called a spring pan. And there's different sizes.
This
is a 10
like
inch.
this?
Because it springs off. Or bounces when you drop it. Okay, put it in there. There you go. So like this. There you go. See? All set. Yeah, I don't do the sides. I think it's too much.
Lazy.
Yeah. No, I just like the way it tastes better.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna just press it down all around. Take the back of this glass and just press it down.
All right, so now that we're done with the crust, what's the next part?
We're gonna take an electric mixer.
We don't have an electric mixer. You didn't tell me about this.
Oh yes, we do.
Where did that come from?
Magic. I have the magic fingers.
Yeah, uh-huh. Okay.
You're gonna take 5 8-ounce things of cream cheese.
And this is sort of a normal size package?
Yes, that's the 8-ounce size. You have to set it out at room temperature, or just until it softens.
So, and if people don't have an electric mixer, what could they use? Can they just mix it in a regular bowl?
You should really, if you have a hand mixer, at least use a hand mixer. Because it has to be mixed thoroughly, otherwise you're gonna get lumps of cream cheese, lumps of sugar.
Ooh, baking in the Olympics? That could be really fun.
I don't know if you could handle that after the wine, especially.
Ooh, drunk baking in the Olympics. We're on to something. Yeah, so, and we always promote drinking in moderation.
Yes,
Just
exactly. You're gonna take a cup and 3/4 of sugar. 3/4. Well,
if you don't know, and there's no hope for the rest of us.
got
Okay, so that's one.
Yeah.
It just in?
Put it in there.
Doesn't matter where.
First start out slowly to mix it.
What's-
Guess what? You tell me what you forgot to do. There you go.
Power, folks. Well, I didn't bring it here. I would have assumed the genie would have also turned it on.
Put it in the plug. Just go slowly first. I usually put it so that the sugar mixes in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn it up a little bit and mix it.
Delicious.
Mixing.
Don't know if they can hear us over our loud mixing machine.
Always scrape the sides so that everything's mixed even.
Well, I wouldn't have had to scrape the sides if I didn't use this electric mixer.
Now you're going to do a tablespoon of flour.
Okay.
level it. Okay, guess who's doing the cleaning tonight? Just put it in there. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. There you go, 1 and 2. Can you see underneath, is it lumpy or anything? Do you see the cream cheese separated or anything?
I don't know what separated cream cheese looks like, but
Okay, now you have to
I think it
scrape
looks
the
pretty
sides. Turn it off, scrape the sides. The
Sure.
key is if you get the cream cheese to be at room temperature, then it mixes much better.
very smooth.
It's a smooth consistency then.
Right.
All right, now you're gonna mix the eggs in, and these are gonna be done one at a time. So
This is where
right
this-
in there. And you're gonna wait until it's mixed, so you put the next one in. Now you put the eggs there.
This is where
And
this
I would
high speed
speed up a
version.
little bit because you can see how it's sticking on the side, the egg. Right, so making your beautiful mother smile. That's the good part. You see how it's like a shiny texture? You wait until that all gets mixed. Your next step is to get the heavy cream in. And the heavy cream, you use that and you just hold it in. That way it keeps the air in it, so when you cook it, it rises up right.
How do you fold liquid?
You take your spatula and you just fold it like this.
You know as well as I know that I've never folded any sort of.
Yeah, including your laundry. Always shake heavy cream when you take it out of the refrigerator.
Why is that?
It settles on everything.
1 cup.
Now pour it in, and then you're gonna do what we call folding.
As I pour, or
No, after you're done pouring it in. You want me to show you first?
yeah, that'd be good.
Okay. You take it and you go under, and you just pull it like that.
Okay.
That just brings it all in and mixes it. And see how you have the little streaks of white there? That's gonna all mix in.
Just like mixing without an electric mixer.
Yes, yeah. It just keeps the air in better and it makes the cheesecake rise.
Have you ever ruined a cheesecake with this method?
No, actually not. Now, this would be the stage you would stop if you were making a regular cheesecake without the pumpkin. And then this would go into the crust. And now you're doing the step where you want the pumpkin in.
Ooh, so I could also throw
Yeah.
in chocolate chips or
You could do, and now you're gonna mix it. Open this up. What I usually do is put a little bit of cinnamon on the bowl.
Ah,
A little
the
bit of
top.
pumpkin spice you can buy in any grocery store. That's cinnamon.
How much
You
was
add
that?
Just a dash. You just. A dash is just a dash. And then this is pumpkin spice. You can get this in any grocery store. Put it in there and you're gonna mix it up. And always make sure you mix from the bottom so everything gets all mixed together. There, see the spice is just in that one little area.
Only I have a bigger bowl. This is much better. You've been holding out on me. And
Now you're gonna take the original batter, put it in there,
just with my hands.
and you're gonna mix it in there.
It's like a science, isn't it? What?
Now dump it in there, and you're gonna mix it. And make sure all the white is mixed in. Okay.
Preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven at 350.
Is everything baked at 350?
Yes. Pretty much.
Feels like maybe it's time for.
Okay, so now you're gonna pour a little bit of this in. Pour so it goes all around the all around. So you get it all in, not the whole thing. Just look, because what you're gonna do is put some pumpkin. So you're gonna take this whole thing, get it all on there.
Just directly on
Just
top.
like gloss. Yeah. Now you're gonna put the rest of this on it. I'm
What'd you
getting
say?
closer and closer to spilling my wine. Okay, just pour it all on top. Cover it all.
Can you say that one more time?
Yeah. Perfect. Ain't that perfect?
You heard it from.
Okay, then you're gonna take this.
I thought you said don't mess up the crumbs.
No, you're not. You don't go all the way down to the crumbs. See, you're taking the pumpkin. See?
I don't. Nope.
Okay, just when you hit the crust, ease up. There, see?
So
Put it in the oven.
done.
Now you're going to put it in a jelly roll pan. We'll cut a piece of oil.
No precision necessary.
And then what you're going to do is just put this on.
So if this wasn't sprung shut, it would be
all
awfully
over the place. A mess.
very
And then
important.
I just, this is, you keep the water in the pan so that it doesn't overcook too fast. Just enough to go around the bottom. Not a lot. An hour. So there you go. Easy as pie.
We'll see you in
Easy
1
as pie.
hour.
Easy as pie or cheesecake.
Pumpkin cheesecake. Alright, so
Now we're
now
gonna check it. Got this little handy dandy checker. Put it right about there. It's gonna be a little, yeah, good. And it's gonna be a little jiggly till it sets. Open this up. There. That's good.
And so how long do we need to wait for this to cool before we can eat this deliciousness?
Usually it takes about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. And then you open up the spring pan and you serve it on the bottom part. And
Sounds
that's it.
delicious.
And that's it.
See you
Easy
soon for some
schmeezy.
tasting.
Yeah, very good. Okay.
Tastes good.
Pumpkiny.
Oh my gosh.
Delicious. You did it, Tim.